Hey everybody from Combat Ineffective, I'm your host Raven here, and well, we've got something brand new here. Now, if you've heard most of my recordings, you know I do my recordings just as a voiceover, but need to get a brand new microphone because this little lav mic that I've got just really wasn't cutting it. And a fan of the show, goes by the name of Richie, was able to get me this. And this is an Uhuru UM900 professional USB condenser mic. And we're going to do an unboxing video of this thing. Then we're going to set it up and see how it goes. So here we go. Let's see. Didn't need that, actually. I had a knife just in case. And didn't need it. Very nice little box. Oh yes. Let's see. Got this little card if I need more help. Shouldn't need that. Got our little user manual here. And let's see. Ooh, it's a nice pop filter on the front. There we go. Looks like one of the windscreens, or a replacement one. Let's take off that first part. And ooh, look at this inside. Look at all of that. This is more professional stuff than I've ever had with this. So this is brand new to me. Got the USB cable right here for it. It's a USB A to B connection for this. And here is the strap for it, and here is the arm for it. And hopefully that wasn't just a bag of silica gel. I don't think it was. Let's see. Yes, it was. This is the stuff to do not eat. And got the boom arm right now. I believe this is the stabilizer as well. Part to secure it to the desk. And the best part, the actual microphone itself. Right here. Alright, why don't we go and hook this thing up and let's see how it works. Hey everybody, all of you Combat Ineffective fans and subscribers out there. I just wanted to show you our brand new setup we've got here. We've got a brand new condenser mic that was provided to us by one of the fans of the show that goes by the name of Richie. I want to thank you again for sending me this. Right now I'm not on that microphone, just so you can hear the difference. I will be doing a voiceover here for the next like 10-15 seconds so you can hear the difference. And now that we have this new microphone, we should be able to give you much better quality audio than we have previously. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you will be alerted the next time we release a video.